In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit specialized profile on Upwork. If you offer more than one type of service, specialized profiles let you tailor your presentation for each niche. Updating your title and overview is the fastest way to make your expertise stand out, and the process is simple. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website in the results. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on Upwork, look to the upper right corner and click your profile image or initials. From the menu that opens, select your profile. This takes you to your profile page. If you use specialized profiles, make sure you're viewing the one you want to edit. The page will indicate whether you're on your general profile or a specific specialty. The editing actions are the same either way. At the top of the page, you'll see your professional title. Hover over it and click the small pencil icon to edit. Keep your title clear, specific, and keyword-rich so clients understand exactly what you do at a glance. For example, highlight your core role and a key niche or tool you use. Avoid fluff and keep it concise. When you're happy with your wording, click Save to apply the change. Next, scroll down to your profile overview. This is the summary clients read to gauge fit. Click the pencil icon in that section to edit. Use the first two lines to communicate your value clearly: what you do, who you help, and the outcome you deliver. Then add supporting details such as relevant skills, industries, notable results, or a brief process overview. Keep sentences readable, use client-focused language, and include keywords that match the work you want. You can also address common client concerns, like turnaround times or communication style, to build trust. When your overview looks polished, click Save. A quick tip: if you're working inside a specialized profile, the title and overview you edit here affect only that specialty, letting you tailor messaging to each service you provide. If you need to switch specialties later, return to your profile and choose the appropriate profile before editing. That's all it takes. You searched for Upwork, opened the site, went to your profile, edited your title with the pencil icon, saved it, then refined your overview and saved again. Keep iterating as your services evolve, and your specialized profile will continue to attract the right clients.